Do you want to learn English with a simple story? Let's begin. This is Ravi. Ravi is a young man. He lives in a small room in the city. Ravi has a job. He works in a shop. Every day, Ravi wakes up early. He gets up at 6 a.m. He washes his face. He gets ready. Ravi makes tea. He drinks tea slowly. He eats simple breakfast. After that, Ravi goes to work. He walks to the bus stop. At the bus stop, he sees many people. He waits for the bus. The bus comes. Ravi gets on the bus. He says, "One ticket, please." The driver gives a ticket. Ravi sits near the window. He looks outside. After some time, Ravi reaches his shop. He says, "Good morning," to his boss. The boss says, "Good morning." Ravi starts his work. He cleans the shop. He arranges items. Customers come to the shop. One customer says, "I want water."